5 ways to empty trash on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can empty the trash on your iPhone and free up storage space fast. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and open the Recently Deleted folder. Whenever you delete photos or videos, they stay here for up to 30 days before being removed permanently. This feature is useful if you accidentally delete something, but the downside is that these files still take up storage space. So if you're completely sure you don't need those photos or videos anymore, tap Select, choose the files, tap the 3 dots, and press Delete Permanently. Just remember, once you permanently delete them, you won't be able to recover them later. The second method is clearing large attachments inside iMessage or the Messages app. Open Settings, tap General, then go to iPhone storage. Now, scroll down until you find Messages and tap on it. Here, you'll see categories like photos, videos, GIFs, and top conversations, along with how much storage they're using. If you notice huge videos or files you no longer need, open the section and delete them. This can free up a lot of space, especially if you send videos often. The third method is clearing deleted files from the Files app. Open the Files app and go to the Browse section. Now tap Recently Deleted. Just like the Photos app, deleted files stay here for around 30 days and continue using storage. Find any files, videos, or documents you no longer need, then permanently delete them from this folder. The fourth method is deleting unused apps. Go back to Settings, then General, and again open iPhone storage. Here you'll see all the apps installed on your iPhone. Look through the list and find apps you never use anymore. If you don't need them, simply tap the app and press Delete App. You'd be surprised how much storage unused apps can take up in the background. And finally, my favorite method is offloading apps. This is super useful because it clears cache and temporary files without deleting your important data. To do this, open an app from the iPhone storage list and tap Offload App. Wait a few seconds, then tap Reinstall App. This refreshes the app, clears unnecessary files, and can recover a surprising amount of storage while keeping your accounts, settings, and documents safe. So yeah, those are the best ways to empty trash on your iPhone and recover storage space quickly. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which method saved you the most storage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.